Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your default search engine to any other than Google on Google Chrome. Changing the search engine is actually very easy, so just follow the given steps. First, let's open our Google Chrome, then click on the three vertical dots and choose the settings option. Under the setting options, you can see the search engine tab. Click on it. Here you can see that the default search engine is currently Google. Simply click on the change button. And now you can see a number of various other engines of your choice. For example, let us select Microsoft Bing and click on select as default. Now Microsoft Bing is a default search engine. To test it out, let's open a new tab and we can see that it redirects us to Microsoft Bing, not Google. I hope you might have enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you hit the like button, comment on the video, share the video, and subscribe our channel as well. Thanks again. Have a nice day.